Hi guys, today I will show you how to edit skip to video from Victory AI.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of software development. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, you've come to the right place. I'm your host, Max, and in this video, we'll walk you through the fundamental steps of how to develop software. So, let's get started. The first step in software development is planning your project. This is where you define your goals, outline your requirements, and create a roadmap for your development process. Whether you're building a mobile app, a website, or a desktop application, having a clear plan will set you up for success. Start by brainstorming your ideas and breaking down your project into smaller tasks. You can use techniques like mind mapping or creating a user story map to visualize your project scope. Once you have a clear understanding of what you want to build, it's time to move on to the next step. Choosing the right tools and technologies is crucial in software development. There are a variety of programming languages, frameworks, and libraries available, so it's important to select the ones that best suit your project's requirements. Do your research and consider factors like scalability, performance, and community support. If you're building a web application, you might consider using technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React or Angular. For mobile development, you could explore platforms like iOS or Android and languages like Swift or Kotlin. Now comes the fun part. Writing code. This is where you bring your ideas to life and turn them into a functioning software product. Break down your project into smaller modules or components and start writing code iteratively. Remember to follow best practices like writing clean, modular code, and documenting your work along the way. Testing is also a crucial part of the development process. Make sure to write unit tests, integration tests, and perform regular QA checks to ensure your software is bug-free and functions as expected. Once your software is ready, it's time to deploy it to production and make it available to your users. Choose a reliable hosting provider and set up your infrastructure to handle traffic and ensure reliability. But remember, software development doesn't end once your product is live. You'll need to regularly maintain and update your software to fix bugs, add new features, and improve performance based on user feedback. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to software development. Whether you're building your first project or embarking on a new venture, remember to plan carefully, choose the right tools, write clean code, and keep learning along the way. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!